Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a bustling city in England, known for its rich industrial heritage and vibrant cultural scene. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Manchester, 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 Manchester. It's also famous for its football teams, Manchester United and Manchester City, which are celebrated globally. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Manchester, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.